Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through how to set the conversation list density to default in the Gmail app, using the latest updated steps. This setting adjusts how your emails are spaced and displayed in your inbox, helping you get the look you prefer for easier reading and navigation. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the menu icon, which is 3 horizontal lines, located in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, scroll down the menu until you find Settings, then tap on it. Inside Settings, you'll see several options. Here, you want to tap on General Settings. This section holds various customization options for your Gmail experience. Within General Settings, look for Conversation List Density. This is the option controlling how densely packed your email conversations appear in your inbox. When you tap on Conversation List Density, you'll see 3 choices: Default, Comfortable, and Compact. To set your inbox back to Gmail's classic look, select Default. This option gives your email conversations a balanced space, not too tight and not too loose, making your inbox easy to scan and read. After choosing Default, tap OK to confirm your selection. Gmail will immediately apply this setting so your email list density will update right away. And that's it. You've successfully set your Gmail app's conversation list density back to default. This setting is perfect if you want a clean, familiar layout that highlights each email without clutter. If you ever want to try other densities, like comfortable or compact, just repeat these steps and select whichever suits your preference. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Gmail experience.